Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see how to use three-phase fault block in MATLAB. This is a three-phase fault Simulink block in MATLAB. Here, what's the use of this block is to create the fault in the power system. In three-phase power system, we can use this three-phase fault Simulink block. And here you will see that when you double-click this block, three-phase fault block, I mean this block is available in specialized power system, and then you go to fundamental blocks and then you can see the elements. Once you click these elements, you will see this three-phase fault block. Just to double click this one, here you will see that option for creating fault like triple end fault, triple end ground fault, double end fault, single end ground fault, double end ground fault. And also here you will see that initial status will be 0. That means initial status is 0 in the sense the fault is not created in the system during initial condition. And then here you will see that option for switching timing when we are going to create that fault for testing the power system. Here you can fix the starting time and ending time of the fault. And here you will see that you can select the different options, different faults by clicking this options, like and just you got to click phase A, phase B, phase C, or just you click this combination and then can create a single end ground fault, double end ground fault, triple end fault, and a triple end ground fault, as well as double end ground fault. And also here you will see that this is the detail you have to provide fault resistance and the ground resistance. This data can be taken from the standard data, that means for testing some standard buses, you can take the detail from the standard details. Next, these are the options there in the three-phase fault block in MATLAB. How we can use this one, you can see that now. For that, I'm going to use three-phase source. Here I'm going to use electrical source. Here I'm going to use three-phase source here, and I'm going to use default value 25 kilovolt 60 hertz. If you want, you can change it according with your requirement. I'm not changing anything in this source detail. I'm going to use as it is, and then I'm going to connect another source also. That means like two sources connected parallelly. So here I'm going to rotate this block. That means I'm going to up and down the block. Here I'm going to connect phase A to A, B to B, and C to C. And before that, I'm going to use some elements. That means some resistance, small resistance in between two sources. Sometimes it will be create some problem. That means if connecting two sources parallelly, sometimes it will be create some problem. Before connecting this one, I'm going to test the model first. Here I'm connected the fault here in between these two sources. Before simulating this model, we need a Powergui block. Just to go to connect Powergui. Yeah, I'm going to run the model for 0.4 seconds. Just I'm going to simulate this one. We have to check the detail whether where any error. Here you can see that there is no error in the model. Next I'm going to check that means both sources are connected in parallel as well as fault is created here. I need to check the voltage and current during normal condition as well as during fault condition. Here I'm going to connect some voltage measurement block. Here I'm going to connect three-phase voltage measurement block in this point. So here I'm going to see the voltage of the phase A, B, C, and then current through that line phase, that means line A, B during the fault condition. Here I'm going to connect scope to see the detail of voltage and current. Here I'm going to measure two quantity known as voltage and current. First one is voltage, second one is current. This is voltage and this is current. And then I'm going to create the fault during the time within total time is 0.4 seconds. I'm going to create fault 0.1 to 0.3. Now I'm going to see the results. The fault we created now is triple line to ground fault. Okay, you have to check the detail now. Now you can see that this is a voltage, fault voltage, and then this is fault current. Four lines are grounded. The voltage will be is equal to 0. To do that, here you will see that the current is comes around 4000 amps. The voltage goes to 0 now because of a double end to ground fault. Now I'm going to create a double end to ground fault, and then I'm going to check the result. Now we can see that the two line voltage will be goes to 0. The remaining line having the voltage. because one line is grounded, voltage is goes to 0. And then here, because of the double line to ground fault, the one line having current will be 0, the remaining line having that current with the rate, and that means current around 4000 amps. This is a fault current. Next, I'm going to test the model with the single line to ground fault. Now we can see that one line having one line voltage having 0, the remaining will be having voltage. But here you will see that the fault current rate is increases in the that line faulted line. So you can see the current will be goes to maximum 4000 amps. So this is a result of a single line to ground fault. Next thing, I'm going to test the model with the double line fault. That means fault created between two lines. Because of that fault created in the two lines, here you will see that it is a result of voltage and some, that means the faulted line both are having lowest voltage. The unfaulted line will be having the voltage right at rated, right? And then here you will see that the unfaulted condition, right? And that means unfaulted line will be having minimum that means rated current, but faulted line having the current around 4000 amps because of that fault. So this working of this three-phase fault block in the MATLAB. Okay, you can use this block for testing the power system, analyze the fault. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.